Hello there. I see you're a young engineer joining our company who has minimal experience and needs to get familiar with parameter identification. Let me tell you a little summary of what we learned through this process.
First, let me give you a little sneak peek into what parameter identification is. Parameter identification is finding TS, YS, YSS, and tau in a first-order system equation, a system that only has one derivative with respect to time, like Newton's law of cooling or population growth. TS is the time at which the time step is applied. YS is the starting value of the temperature in our case. YSS is the steady state of Y as time goes to infinity, and tau is the time constant that shows how fast temperature changes with a change in time. This was made difficult because the noise in the data prevented us from clearly pointing to where this exactly happened.
In other words, this was a fun time.
We refined our code by changing our method of calculation from using individual slopes to using the linearized data from the log function. This helped us because we can now use a line of best fit to improve our tau and YSS. To improve our code, we would eliminate unnecessary loops in our calculation of descriptive statistics to reduce the amount of time used to calculate our code.
As engineers, we'll be working with big data for the extent of probably our professions. Additionally, we also will probably be working with teammates. So we learned to work on code together. What surprised me was how noisy the data was and the work we had to put in to fix that, or to work around that. The other thing that surprised me was how many friends I made in the process.